or background editing, all right, or if you want to crop, okay, the picture, all right, or you want to apply some kind of style on the picture. But remember, you will only see that when the picture is selected. If I remove the selection from the picture now, it's not showing. So always remember, you have to select the picture first. Okay, so that's one way that we can insert pictures. You can save the pictures on your computer, and from there you use the pictures and then this device um, command to insert them. Then the other option is to insert pictures through what, online, all right, either from Bing or using some other search engines. Okay, so for this one you will require an internet connection, and currently I am not connected, so I'm going to connect my computer to the internet now so that I can access online pictures and have them inserted on my document. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll try to look for this same picture or a similar picture to this one online and try to insert that as well. Okay, so let me give some space there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead to pictures, online pictures. Okay, and so depending on your network, this might take a couple of seconds or even a minute before it comes. So let's wait patiently while it loads. Okay, it's taking some little time. Okay, let me close it and try it again. Wow, that seems to take time. Okay, I'm going to pause the recording, and when it comes then I'll continue. All right, welcome back. I've been trying several times, but the online pictures won't work. So what I would do after the lecture, I will try again. Whenever it works, then I will share that recording with you. Okay, so but basically what happens there is that if you click on the online pictures, it will bring you a search facility where you type the name of the picture that you want to search for, and then if it appears in the pictures, you just click on it and then insert it. Okay, yeah, so I will later share the video with you. So going back to the picture that we inserted before through this device command, so next we are going to see how we can do some adjustments to this picture. Like for example, if you want to reduce the size of the picture, so once the picture is selected, you have what we call resizing handles. You can see these small circles around the picture. We call them resizing handles, so we can use those to adjust the size of the picture to either make it bigger or smaller. Okay, now usually when we are resizing, you are highly encouraged to be careful with the resizing handles on the left and right, and also right in the middle here at bottom and down, top and down rather. Okay, because usually what those will do is they would change the form of your picture. So you can see now here, if I use this, it changes the picture completely. So it's advisable that you always use the corner ones to resize the picture. Okay, all right, so that's it. So you see that has kind of deformed my picture, so I have to bring it back to shape now. So you can use the corner resizing handles to adjust your picture in terms of the sizing. So these ones you can use them, but the implication is that it's going to change the shape and form of your picture, and you that is something you wouldn't want. Okay, all right. So still on pictures, you also have an option to rotate the picture, so you can rotate you so you click and hold the left mouse button and then rotate the picture like that. Okay, so you can see now I have turned it upside down. If I want to bring it back where it was, you can undo, or you use the rotation facility to bring it back to where it was. Okay, cool tool, huh? All right, so more on pictures. Then, like I said before, select the picture first and then go to format, picture format. Okay, so now you have an option to remove background. If I remove the background, you see what that does. So this is something that I don't want, then I'm going to discard. All right, corrections. So to adjust the colors and some other things, you can also do that as well, but I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm cool with this. Then you have the color, so you can also change the color if you wish, some other color, maybe this. Okay, so I'm good with this. Artistic effects, so if you want to further enhance the design, okay, then you can also do that. All right, so these are very good things, especially if you want to highlight a particular thing in the picture, so you can use those, huh? Okay, but don't overuse. Then the transparency of the picture, how transparent does the picture appear, you can also as well adjust that. Okay, all right. Then you come to this other one here. Okay, this is if you want to add an additional picture. Okay, so if you want to compress, like to reduce the size, all right, I'm not going to go with those. I'll leave those as they are. Now you come to styling. All right, those of us that like styles, and you can do different styles for your picture. So you can see square, borders, round borders. So for me, I always love this style. I don't know, I don't even know why, but I love it. So you can apply a style of your choice if you want to. If you don't want to, you can just leave it as it is. Then borders also, if you want to have do borders for your picture, like border lines. Okay, so you can see as I'm navigating through these colors, a border line is usually applied. Okay, so those are also available. Effects, shadows, reflections, 3D rotations, and all other stuff, huh? So you can also do all those ones. If you want to have shadows for the picture, can also apply that as well, or the glow and other stuff. Okay, so yes, picture layout, then so we're not going to go into that. Okay, and then the okay, so next one we want to talk about is crop. Okay, now crop a picture means you cut some part of the picture. Okay, so let's say I want to cut this part here so that this L won't show up. So I'm going to click on crop. Okay, again, if you're cropping, be careful if you want to use these ones sometimes. Okay, the middle one, it can sometimes deform your picture.